How to find your ShopeePay account number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are wondering how to find your ShopeePay account number, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how you can locate your ShopeePay account number directly from the app. Now without further ado, let's get it started. So first, open the ShopeePay app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your account. And once you are in the app, tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to your account settings. Next, select ShopeePay from the option listed on your profile. Now in this section, you simply need to tap on request button because this is where you can request payments or funds from others. And once you tap on request option, you will be asked to enter your phone number. Simply enter your phone number and tap on next. Then a QR code will pop up on your screen and below the QR code you will find your ShopeePay account number. And that's it. You have successfully generated a QR code and located your ShopeePay account number. You can now easily receive payments or funds using this information. With this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.